What's up, legends? Today I'm showing you exactly how to get the most out of GROK AI. We're talking research, ideas, image generation, file analysis, and more. Whether you're a student, creator, or just curious, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Here's the main dashboard, clean, elegant, and built for productivity. Let's break down every feature and show what each one can really do. Step 1. Ask anything input bar prompt. Explain machine learning versus deep learning in simple terms. Right here is your go-to box for asking anything, from basic questions to complex topics. GROK gives you clear and understandable answers, even for tricky stuff like this. Step 2. Deep search prompt. What are the latest AI regulations in Europe? Deep search is awesome when you need accurate, up-to-date info straight from trusted sources. Great for research, articles, or staying ahead of the curve. Step 3. Think prompt. Give me a startup idea using drones in agriculture. When you're stuck or need a spark of genius, this mode helps you think creatively. It's like brainstorming with a really smart, never-tired partner. Step 4. Upload a file or image prompt. Upload an image of a graph or textbook. Summarize this image. You can upload documents, images, screenshots, and GROK will extract the important stuff, summarize it, or even answer questions about it. Super handy for students and researchers. Step 5. GROK version selector. If you're curious about performance, you can switch between different GROK models right here. GROK 3 is the latest and most powerful, and honestly, it handles almost anything like a champ. Step 6. Feature buttons. Let's try them all. First, research. Prompt. Give me peer-reviewed info about the effects of sleep deprivation on memory. When accuracy matters, like school papers or professional reports, the research button delivers high-quality content and reliable sources you can actually cite. Second, create images. Prompt. Create an image of a futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon lights. This one's for the creatives. Just describe your idea and GROK brings it to life as a stunning AI-generated image, perfect for content, designs, or storytelling. Third, how to ball. Prompt. How to start a blog and earn money through affiliate marketing. Need steps to do something? This button gives you practical, organized how-to guides that are super easy to follow, whether it's for business, coding, or hobbies. Fourth, analyze. Prompt. Here's my expense sheet. Help me find savings. Drop in numbers, data, or spreadsheets, and GROK will find patterns, suggest improvements, and help you make smarter decisions, just like a data analyst. Fifth, personas. Prompt. Explain gravity like a pirate. This one's super fun. You can change GROK's personality to match your mood or style. Great for learning, entertainment, or making boring topics actually enjoyable. And that's how you unlock the full power of GROK AI, from smart answers and research to creating visuals, analyzing data, and even having some fun with personas. It's seriously one of the most versatile tools out there. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you're going to try with GROK? Catch you in the next one.